Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review or we will talk about a very trending brand, Ankhway mushroom gummies or gummies. You should buy these gummies, their gummies or not. Does their gummies really work? Is this brand legit or it just another scam? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this because like brand, this brand is approx like 2 years from now, and in the period of good 2 years they have good review on internet. Okay, and why I'm saying this thing, because they have 1000k subscribers, and they have a very good followers on Facebook also, and the brand is looking like 100% legit. Okay, and if we talk about like you should buy their gummies or not, yes, definitely you can buy their gummies, but you need to keep something in your mind. The model, the when you purchase product, when you buy a product on their official website, when you try to buy product for trial period, and then it means there is a subscription. Okay, so don't try to buy product in the form of subscription, otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so you can see over here there are 8% of reviews, they are complaining like subscription, they don't aware about the subscription. So my suggestion is only this: if you are going to buy the product, please try to buy a product for a one-time purchase, or don't try to take any kind of subscription if you don't want you can say like upcoming deliveries. Okay, if we talk about like the brand is really good, because you can see over here when the customer is providing negative reviews, like they are get in touch with their customers and they are providing solutions how they can cancel their subscriptions. So this is the best part for the brand. Okay, so in the terms of legitness, in the brand, in the terms of you can like brand support, customer support, the brand is 100% legit. But the thing is, there is a subscription model also. Okay, so don't try to, if you don't want any upcoming deliveries, then don't try to take any kind of subscription, otherwise you have to pay some fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if we talk about like the product, basically their gummies is really good. You can buy their gummies and you can get the results, but results will not come overnight. You have to take these kind of gummies approx for 1 month, okay, or 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks you can see changes in your you can like daily lifestyle or in your wellness. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.